Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. This is my math segment and let's move forward to chapter 3. So today what we are going to learn is quick multiplication. So let's see how to do this quick multiplication. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. So today in chapter 3 we will learn about quick multiplication. Multiplication technique for numbers adding up to 10. Now let's see what do we exactly mean by that. So the last digit of the number should add up to 10. What I mean by this sentence is the number in the units place should add up to 10. Say for example, let's take 66 into 64. In this number, both the numbers in the units place, that is 6 and 4, add up to 10, and both the other digits, that is 6 and 6, are the same. So this trick can be applied for this combination of numbers. So there's one more example, 107 into 103. So in this, the numbers in the units place are 7 and 3, which add up to 10, and the other number besides 7 and 3 is 10. We consider it as 10. So that digit is same in both the number. So this trick can be applied for this number too. Now let's see how to do this trick. Okay, so let's try the multiplication of numbers 51 and 59. So this trick can be applied for this number because 1 plus 9 is equal to 10 and 5 is 5, the same. Now let's see how to do it. So students, when you're doing this, the first thing you have to keep in mind is always check the combination of numbers. If the combination of numbers is not right according to the rules of this trick will not give you an accurate answer. So now let's do this trick. So what we have to do for this trick is, now the number which is common is 5, right? The digit which is common in both the numbers is 5. So after 5, which number comes in the numerical series? 6. You're right. So 5 multiplied by 6 gives us 30. As 5 is on the left hand side in the question, so the answer 30 will also be in the left hand side of the question. Now let's deal with 1 and 9, which sums up to 10. So as it is, we multiply 1 into 9 and we get the answer as 9. But always remember, when you get a single digit answer, you always have to make a double digit answer. So we write it as 09, and as 1 and 9 are on the right hand side of the question, we write 09 on the right hand side. So we get a complete answer as 3009. So 51 multiplied by 59 is equal to 3009. Similarly, you can practice this for various kinds of sums. So do practice it for all the sums and tell us if this trick was helpful in your life. So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.